In settings, go to battery and device care. Tap on battery. Switch on protect battery. Many Samsung Galaxy phones, especially those running on UI 6.1 or newer, have a protect battery or battery protection settings that can be enabled to limit charging to 85%. This charge limit is also available on newer iPhones. To set the smartphone to auto saving mode, hold down on power saving. Switch on limit apps and home screen. Your calls, text messages and other apps you want to keep rolling will work, but background activity will be limited. You can see the battery of 35% left will last me 5 days. On your keypad, type in *#9900#. Tap on battery stats reset. Over time the battery can degrade and the device might not accurately reflect the actual battery capacity. Resetting battery stats can help troubleshooting battery issues, improves accuracy and recalibrates the battery. This can help troubleshooting battery related issues and potentially improve battery life by allowing the system to recalibrate and reflect the true battery capacity. Stay safe guys, peace.